Hey there, I'm Cynthia and welcome to the Dinner Fix, where I help answer the question, what's for dinner? Today I'm making spaghetti carbonara, which you may or may not have heard of. It's a pretty popular Italian pasta dish. It's something that I love to eat. I don't make all that often, I'll admit, only because it is a very rich sauce. It's kind of one of those pastas I reserve for the specialist of occasions, because it's rich. That being said, it's very simple. Very few ingredients go into the making of this, aside from spaghetti, egg yolk, cheese, some pancetta, some salt, pepper, and really that's about it. Yet despite its simplicity, it is a dish that is very easy to get wrong. And the reason I say that, and I'll show you in a minute, is the sauce is really based with egg yolk. And if you are not careful in the preparation, you can wind up with scrambled eggs for sauce, which is probably about as disgusting as that sounds. So stick around, let me show you how to make carbonara the right way, and thanks in advance for subscribing.